this is how it currently works, okay? You have 1997, 49, 99, 59, 99, okay? And all these are dollar amounts.
No 24.
The 24 don't really count right now.
All right.
Okay? Now, that's 3 packages as far as the ATS network goes. Think of this as customer only, so I'll put a little box around it. Customer only. I'm putting that there so you can just understand, hey man, I just want to get the education. I'm not really worried about making money with y'all. I don't really want to access, oh, you know what, I want to test it. You get what I'm saying? Let me just get my feet wet. That whole person, that's them. If you want to make money with us, it's one of these 2. Follow me so far? This is very important. There's 3 understandings of this. Everybody got me? Just 3. 3 understandings of this. Understanding 1, freshman. This is freshman level. This gives you sophomore and freshman. And for $10 more, you get full access. Senior, junior, sophomore, freshman.
You get all 4.
You get all 4 for $59.99.
High school education.
Right. The whole high school education. Now, what happens, bring my glasses for me. What happens is you can make money with your company at any level because we're teaching. Here's the deal, and this is very important for all of you to explain. There's no difference in quality here, and here. Let's see if I can make this make sense to you. Okay? There's no difference in quality. Okay, we're trying to bring it to, well, just make sure that glare don't get in there, right? There's no difference in quality. People are going to ask you, well, what's the difference? There is no difference in quality. Yeah. You hear me? There's no difference in quality.
Right.
This isn't bronze, silver, gold. They're all platinum. They focus on different things. This is a business accelerator. That means we're going to accelerate your business as fast as possible. We're going to get you from whatever employee mindset you have. If you're at 6 figures, we'll get you to 7. You're at 5 figures, we'll get you to 6. That's that one. Business accelerator. That's what this is. If you're at 4 figures, we're going to get you to 5, 6, and 7. If you never made money, we're going to make you money. You don't know how to use your credit, we're going to teach you that. This is a business accelerator. $49.99 comes with the business accelerator, and it focuses completely on sales and sales funnels. Okay? Sales and sales funnels. Are you following me? See the difference? They have different foci. That's plural for focus. Okay? That's $49.99 is sales funnels, anything sales, sales transaction, point of sale systems, etc. To get full access, then at the junior level, it's all marketing. Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, newspaper ads, publicists, PR, marketing, all that stuff, okay? From start to finish, it focuses on marketing, plus you already have sales focus and the business accelerator. The senior access focuses on all of that, obviously, because it's included. Plus, it focuses on the real deal business of business, okay? That whole CEO stuff, that advanced business stuff that you wish people would ask you. Plus, you get small group coaching with me and Tempest. You understand? That's the mastermind. So not only does it focus on business, but the small group or the mastermind coaching focuses on your business only. That's what the mastermind is for, which used to cost $30,000 to join. I'm nice, I put it in $59 a month. So you see how there's no levels in quality. All quality is platinum. In fact, uranium, more than platinum. They just focus in different areas. Now, here's how the money works. Here's the levels. I'll put it back. You got level 1, level 2, Okay, this is you personally sponsored. Reggie, you have 3 people on level 1 you personally brought in at
3 people on
19.
level 1.
That you personally sponsored.
Yeah, that's me.
So how much money is that for you? Residual?
12.
What? No, 3 times 3 is 9.
So it's 27?
No, it's 3 plus 3. Okay, you joking. Plus 3 is 9.
9.
Okay? So you're going to get paid 9 because each one person is $3 at level 1. But remember, one of those people referred because we don't have recruitment.
Okay.
They just, hey, you get this too, right? So here we go. They referred, and now, Deanna, what's the level 2 commission?
$2.
$2.
So I'm getting a whopping 5.
So, well, almost. You actually
right now, as is,
you're getting 11 a month.
Yep.
You're gonna get $3 per person plus $2 for this person.
Mm-hmm. So $3 for every person under you, and then for every person under you that has somebody, you get $2 for them.
You're gonna get paid 3 times 3 is 9 plus 2.
I get to make a name of my company.
You sure do. Actually, that's gonna be a requirement by the end of the day.
Hey,
Deanna, give me the level 3.
$1.
$1. Level 4.
$2.
$2. Level 5.
$2.
$2. So here's what happened.
That's with them people.
This is so they sign up someone.
Mm-mm.
You got one here,
They go up.
and then you get you an Antonio Smith right here. And this Antonio Smith gives you this person times 10. Okay? And we know we got 10 people down here. So at 10 people down here at $2 on that level, that's $20 right here alone.
Mm-hmm.
Plus your $9, so now you at $29. Plus your $2, so now you at $31. Plus $1, you at $32. Plus $2 again, you at $34 residually a month.
So how much altogether?
That's $34 residually a
That
month.
was $34.
Right. Now this has nothing to do with the fact that you're going to get paid $10 for every time you personally sign someone up. It has nothing to do with that.
That's just a little extra.
Yeah, that's extra. We're not even talking about the leadership bonuses or just the team bonuses. We don't even talking about that, okay? So here we go. So we're going to keep these numbers for the rest of these things. It changes at the $49 level. Now, let me just explain this real quick.
Explain.
This is at the...
That's just 1997.
Which people been buying for years, right? We're not a new company. Actually, well, we were in 1997. This package that we used to be $3,495 is what we used to sell it as. We used to call it basic package. We used to call it the basic membership. It cost $3,495. Now we call it freshman level, and we reduce it to $19.97 a month or $199 a year, or whatever it is. Okay, so she's gonna give me the $49.99 commissions. Residual. Give it to me.
$750.
At $49. Let me just explain this to you.
I'm just
You just did something different from my head.
Because the way I've set it up is I've set it up to where you don't have to do any recruitment, and I've set it up to where your residual is literally off of customers, not off the need to go get 3.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I set it up to where there is no distributors. We don't have them. It's free to join. We don't have it.
Mm-hmm.
Do you understand what I'm saying? We don't have
We
it.
got it.
It's free to join. We don't have it. We don't want it. I'm passing the wealth down to the field. That's why it's $750 now. Okay? Check this out, Reggie. You're going to get $750 right here. Next, level 2.
Mm-hmm.
$5.
You're going to get $5. Level 3.
$2.50.
You're going to get $2.50. Now watch it go back up. Level 4.
$5.
$5. And level 5 is $5. Right?
Right.
So I made it up. Now, Reggie, let's take these same numbers. You got 3 people here. What's 3 times $7.50?
22.
$22.50.
$22.50.
Don't leave out that 50 now.
Yeah,
Okay.
I ain't gonna leave out the 50, but that's just,
Okay,
shock myself.
$22.50 now.
Mm-hmm.
But watch this. The way I have it set up, I don't have it to where you have to have a certain amount of people on level 1, a certain amount of people on level 2. I don't care how you get customers. I don't care where they fall. And neither am I asking you to start over in this leg because we ain't got no legs. Allow me that colloquialism. I got rid of legs. There's no legs. There's no left or right. There's no this leg works better. No. That means, Reggie, assuming you still have these, you already know you got, what was $22 here?
32.
32 on this side. You're 1997, you make it 32. Now you got 3 people over here. So now you make it 32 plus 2150, you would say, right? 2250. So you got 32 from here plus 2250 here. Do you see what just happened? Listen, I don't care which product you recommend. If you recommend it, you're going to get paid for it. Period. You're not going to start over. I'm just going to take this check, combine together, send you one check.
I would clap, but I'm holding this camera.
Okay, I was going to say, because somebody should shout right
Thank you, thank you.
All right?
I'm shouting in my head because I got a question for Grace when we finish.
Okay, so here we go.
So do Grace.
Do you see it? And we just, right here, at 10 people, that's $50. That's 50 plus 2250. 2250 plus $32. It is so easy to, and I don't mean that easy as marketing way. It's so easy to make money here. I made it on purpose. Period. I chose a linear model of a compensation plan because I wanted to be transparent and I wanted to be straightforward. Does it want to be straightforward? Yes, sir. That's your question.
Can I go make some phone calls?
Not yet. He ready. I got him on fire. He ready to make some phone
Blow
calls.
up out this channel.
Please.
Wait till, well, you really feel I ain't gonna be able to contain you when I do this here. Deanna, give me this one.
9.
At level 1, when you personally sponsor, you get $9 off a $20,000 program. I reduced to $59.99. If you personally bring in people, you get $9. Whole 9. Deanna?
$59.99, $9.29.
$6?
3.
$3? Now watch it jump back up.
To 9.
6?
And 6.
And 6. Now let me tell you what I did, y'all. As much as I've been in network marketing companies, I always hated one fact. That my future was never in my hands. I always hated the fact that I couldn't just go out there and sponsor people and make my money. I couldn't go out there and just sign people up and literally make a living for my life. I've always hated that. Now I don't know what your process is, because what normally happens, and I don't mean no disrespect to nobody. What normally happens, and please hear this, you have to be at a certain rank to get this here. No. Receive this. What they do is they say, oh, we got $3 in the first one. And then your residual never changes. You never get this $9 until you're at the very top of the company as an executive director or a diamond or whatever they say. Am I wrong?
You're right.
If you never, ever promote or do anything, this is for the entry-level person. Now, zoom out and get all that. This is for the soccer mom who just joined. Day 1, you can make $9 commission. Day 1, without understanding anything. Well, let me qualify that. In fairness, you can do this, but that's assuming you actually finish your freshman level classes. Okay. Because if you join here, if you join, you have to take your classes for me to send you money. So you need to be taking, this is assuming you've taken your classes, okay? You have to be actively taking your classes because we are an education company, okay?
The only way it's going to work.
I'm an education company, period. I'm not here to be a Ponzi scheme or just to pass out money. I'm here to make people rich. I'm just paying you While you're making yourself rich with my education,
Oh, yeah.
I'm just paying you
I'm not a punch.
while you're learning how to get that done. Because the education is life-saving. I'm teaching you how to make $1 million over here in the freshman level. I'm teaching you how to use your credit to raise $500,000. I'm teaching you how to build an app for your business, how to build business systems. You have to do that, because that's the information, to hear this well, that you take home to your family. While this will bless your children and your legacy, what really blesses your children and your legacy is the education. So let me end with this story. In The Richest Man in Babylon, the young man left his father and took gold and then took 5 tablets. And what happened, and please hear me, the man went through his gold real quick. He couldn't go back to his father without the gold. So what he did was, finally, after years later, he read the tablets. They were actually the laws of money. The same laws of money that saved my life. That literally, laws of gold is what it's called. That literally, these 5 laws of gold that will make you wealthy. He read the tablets. So when he finally got back to his father, he made all the money back that he lost. He said, "Dad, here's what you gave me. But since you gave me those tablets, I'm going to bring you 2 extra bags of gold, what you gave me, because I want to show you that the knowledge was worth twice as much as the gold." That is why you take the classes. This is just gold. This will not make you a millionaire. You will absolutely become a millionaire with this money. But if you don't grow out to money, it will dwindle down to you. Period. And I'm not in the business of creating millionaires, lottery winners that lose it all. They get addicted to cocaine and lose it. Or they make it and they spit it. The knowledge is going to let you keep what you earn. Antonio T. Smith Jr., you can plan better, you can dominate.